Hello, it is me, LabBuilder724, and today I decided to change the video format a little bit to make them more interesting for you to watch. I decided to add a short review of the alternative before the instructions, so you know what to expect from the build. Today I used the bricks of the set 42-133 to build a cool sand buggy inspired by real-life off-roaders, and so here it is. In this build I wanted to include basic Technic functions for the vehicles, something like fake engine and working steering. So let me show you the functions. This model has a working single piston fake engine driven by the rear wheel, so as you can see, as you drive the car the engine will work. And the second one is steering. This is not the basic steering like in other LEGO sets, it's an interior steering, not a hand of God steering, but you can pretty much steer it inside the cabin and play around with this car. The only drawback of this design is that sometimes if you steer too much the wheel will get stuck in this point. So yeah, this is all the functions of this model, and so let's build it. Thank you very much for building this small model with me. I hope you like it, or you want to suggest something to change in this model. Write down in the comments if you like the new video format or like the model. I don't know, maybe it's something else. I will definitely answer you. See you soon.